You know, they say that beauty is only skin deep, but many of us know that our look can completely change the way we feel. Adult acne, sunspots, age spots, wrinkles, these can have a serious effect on our body image, and that can affect our everyday lives. But those problems don't have to paralyze you. Joining us to talk about changing your life by changing your look are Naomi Fenlin. She is a licensed medical esthetician, and also Dr. Adam Sobel. Both are with Cosmopolitan Skincare Solutions. It's great to have you both with us today. Thank you.
Thank you.
You know, one of the testimonials that you say in your practice, Naomi, is that there was a woman who came in and her acne was so bad that she couldn't look at you straight in the eye. As a medical professional, when you look at somebody like that and you see that kind of distress, what's your reaction to that?
I guess one of the things that we go through on a daily basis, Pat, really is that there's a human connection to these people. And when somebody like that walks into our office, we see that pain. That's the first thing we see. Then we see what the problem is that they've come to us to treat. And you have to connect with people. You have to feel that. You have to let them know that you feel that. And then you can move on from there. But if you don't have that human connection with them, there's really nowhere to go. So they come in, and she's not alone. There are a lot of people who are like that. And you want to give them that boost to their confidence. That's what we're there for.
But, and Dr. Sobel, you found too that they come in oftentimes so vulnerable. They really don't feel good about themselves. And where do you begin?
Exactly. I mean, we know what people do. We do it too. You know, people look at themselves in the mirror and they see all their flaws, the fine lines and wrinkles and the blemishes, things that other people may not see, but they see. And you just listen to them, you talk to them, you treat every patient individually.
There are a couple of people who we have some pictures of. We'd like to show them on camera. And these are people who have had adult acne. Naomi, tell me about the treatment with this, because this is a very dramatic before and after.
This is a really common scenario that patients come in with very, very severe acne. That's what we call combination acne. There's a variety of different technical stuff going on underneath the skin that creates different types of lesions. And most of these patients have gone through pretty much every treatment that there is and been unsuccessful. So we approach this from a technical standpoint. The problem is a mechanical problem within the skin. We approach it from a mechanical aspect. We utilize our devices and really help walk them through the process of going from what is clearly diseased skin to healthy skin.
There is another picture that is very interesting. There are a lot of women who find themselves waving long after they have stopped waving. And there is a dramatic before and after. Dr. Sobel, there are some people who really wish that they could tighten every ounce of skin all over, every square inch of skin all over their bodies. But you do offer it. In this particular case, we can see it in someone's arm. What kind of procedure is this?
Well, this procedure is called Thermage. And what's happening here, this is a radio frequency heating procedure where we're actually tightening the collagen underneath the skin and making all that loose skin tight so that people feel the way that they did years ago.
Oh, we love that idea. Also, there's another picture here too. Now, this is somebody's tummy. The same thing? You use the same procedure for that?
Exactly. This is the same thing. You do it on the tummy. You could do it in basically in many areas. You could do it in the face, the neck, the arms, the abdominal area, the thighs, the buttocks, etc.
And so there's no incision in any of this?
That's right. It's non-surgical, and that's what everything that we do is non-surgical. The trend really is towards non-surgical procedures, whereas people don't, you know, they used to do a lot of surgery and there's downtime and there's recovery period. Here, no downtime or recovery. The next day, back to work, back to doing your normal activities.
But I would imagine, though, it does take a couple of treatments to be able to have a really good result.
Well, you can get this result in one treatment.
Really? Just
one treatment, and actually over 6 months, it gets better and better. The nice thing about this is that if you wanted to repeat it, if you needed a little bit of, to make it a little bit better, for example, you could redo it. But usually just one.
All right. Thank you both. Thank you very much. If you want to check out Cosmopolitan Skincare Solutions for yourself, we do have a link at our website, cbs3.com/talkphilly. All in a day, huh? We're coming right back.